Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have enjoyed my previous chapter. This is the second chapter of my short trip to Europe. The huge panorama that you are watching in its original size is 28,000 pixels wide to 8,000 pixels high. 10 photos merged plus some color correction. The panorama was taken by this incredible lens, Meyer optic e Gorlitz PRIMOTAR e 50mm f3.5 Red V, a German standard prime lens for a 35mm SLR with a M42 screw mount or exacta mount from 1957. Its body is made of aluminum with a weight of 175 grams. 35 cm tall and 57 cm of barrel diameter. 6 blades, minimum focusing distance of half meter, f3.5 of depth of field, 3 control rings and accepts 40.5 mm filter size. What it makes desirable for a 3.5 6-blade lens? The answer is the third hidden ring and its price. Now, for less than 60 US, you can have a good copy. From the bottom of the lens is the focusing ring. Next, the aperture ring, the last one. Many of us didn't notice that the ring is movable or better. It selects the aperture from open to wide open. Notice that it contains 2 small dots, a black and a red one. If you select the black dot, you will have control all over your aperture stops, performing a hexagon-shaped bouquet. Select the red dot and it locks all the stops. The diaphragm turns wide open into soap bubbles bouquet. This lens, even is f3.5, isn't razor sharp. Focusing white spaces totally open, the photos achieve with a dreamy look. Stop down to f5. The center became sharper with glowing edges. Those soap bubbles bouquet can challenge his big brothers. PRIMOPLAN 58mm f1.9, 75mm f1.9, and the TRIOPLAN 100mm f2.8. In later chapters, I will talk about those 3 lenses. Now, let's see how it performs.